Hi family, my name is Melita. If you don't know that because you're new here. If you're new, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. So in this video, I will be showing you how I achieved this 2-strand twist short bob using Brazilian wood hair. This is my first time using this Brazilian wood hair. I never used Brazilian wood in my life, so yeah, it was a journey, and the texture is funny but good. All right, so I got like 5 in a pack. I got it from Amazon. I will leave the link down below, and the price was pretty reasonable. Like, this blends in so well with my hair, is unbelievable. And for the accessory, I also got it from Amazon. This is how much came in the box, and this container is very convenient. I will leave that link down below for you as well. I am gonna be using rubber bands. These are the rubber band I use. Everything I use, if I can find their links, I will leave them down below. So if you want to see how I created this 2-strand twist bob, then definitely keep on watching. Please be sure to comment, subscribe, and like. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle if you're gonna try it. So I like to put my rubber band in oil. I'm going to be using my Shine and Jam. You need a rat tail comb, especially when you're parting your own hair. So as you can see, I did half of my hair already, and I'm just going to show you a little bit of how I part my hair. But I will definitely give you guys a full detail video on how to part your own hair. So the Shine and Jam, I usually put it in the middle when I split it and then part it again. I like to get a nice and clean parting in the front area because honestly I can't see in the back, so I do my best to get the back as neat as possible. But when it comes to the front, that's where I put all the detail attention, and that's what you should be doing too. Bob, this is what I actually do. I measure my own hair like so. So this is the length of my hair, and then I go ahead and add more to that. So basically this is what I'm looking to get. All right, so if you twist it up, this is what you should get. All right, and then I go ahead and add some more inches because when twisting, the yarn will shrink up, and then you're gonna need more. So I leave room for that. So I go ahead and cut it like right about here, fold it in half and cut it right about here, and that's how I'm gonna do it. So I like to take that one section and split it into 2. Then what I'm gonna do after that is I'm gonna take the Brazilian wood, and I use 20 strand per hair per twist. So I'm gonna lay that between the hair and use my butterfly clip to hold the Brazilian wood together. Then I'm gonna go ahead and fit some edges up with my Shine and Jam, and then go in with my rubber band. That's why I like to soak my rubber band in oil, because when you put it on your hair, at least you avoid it breaking your hair later on. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and tie the rubber band onto the hair, and then split it into 2, and just make sure the hair is tight enough to my comfort level. And I like to put some Shine and Jam on the tip of my hair. So what I did differently to make sure my hair blends in properly with the Brazilian wood hair is that I stretch my hair. So usually when I wash my hair, I scratch it by African threading. So my hair was already scratched, and that's how it blended in so nice. Because I noticed when I started my daughter's hair, it wasn't scratched and it was not blending in. You could see the difference between her hair and the Brazilian wood. So I stopped doing it. I put it into African threading, and once I got it stretched, I did it, and that's how it blended. So definitely, if you plan on doing this bob 2-strand twist, or even using the Brazilian wood as a protective style, and you want it to blend in perfectly with your natural hair, make sure to stretch your hair. And I mean, you do not have to put heat on your hair, just thread it and you will be good to go. So once I get my twist down to where I want it, what I do is I release the hair, because when you're twisting, it kind of twists around, and I don't know, it shrink up, I should say. So once I release it, I take a strand of hair and tie my hair after I measure it to the other ones, and then I go ahead and cut it. Now you don't have to tie it, but I tie it for extra protection so the twists do not unravel later on. And then I'll go in with my rubber band and secure it even more. So I'm just gonna let you watch the process. Again, I will be repeating the same step, opening up that section of hair and laying the Brazilian wood in between and tying it with a rubber band. If you want the same size as mine, I use 20 strand of Brazilian wood hair per twist. So I am done. Look at the hair. Listen, it looks good all by itself with nothing on there, but I wanted to add some gems accessories to it, so I grabbed my accessory. I got that from Amazon. Like I said, I will leave the link down below, and I'm just gonna go ahead and be extra and dazzle my hair up. Okay, do what you gotta do to make it feel like you and just look like you. That's look like you. Oh my goodness. You know what, let me just finish up with this whole accessory things because we are getting out of here. Here, looks like you. Okay, Melita. Okay, we are done. Look at that with the accessories, baby. Oh yes, honey, come through. Yes, twist. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye. And me and my daughter just having fun because we're twinsy. Listen, I love me my little girl. Ooh, I am blessed to have a baby girl.